Hello friends, welcome back to EcomCorner. Friends, today I'm going to show you how you can sell big ticket size products on eBay and generate thousands of dollar revenue every single day with USA dropshipping. So friends, let's start. As you can see friends, this is eBay seller panel order sections, and one of our customers, we just recently started for this customer selling on eBay, and just within 1 to 2 months you can see how better results we are getting for this customer from eBay. We sold one item $354, $339, $331. Just for one items we are selling like this and generating $50 to $60 profit from one single orders. You can see $306, $262, just selling one quantity of each items and making a good profit through USA dropshipping. $256, $236. You can see the amazing results guys. 231, 219, and also see some of customers left positive feedbacks also. So you can also start your journey on eBay with selling EcomCorner high ticket price item and generate $10,000 every single month. So what are you waiting for friends? Let's join your hand with EcomCorner and build a big business as soon as possible. So friends, if you are new at our YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel. I hope you are loving our dropshipping series video, and we are going to launch some more powerful tips, so please stay tuned. Friends, please join us on WhatsApp for instant chat. Our contact number is 8756919495. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.